The Vivo X200 family will be introduced on October 14th. The lineup includes 3 models: the Vivo X200, Vivo X200 Pro, and Vivo X200 Pro Mini. The screenshots shared by Chinese tech bloggers give a look at the design and color options. Official images indicate that all 3 models will be available for reservations in China starting from October 8th ahead of launch on October 14th. Now let's talk about Vivo X200 Pro Mini. The X200 Pro Mini uses more playful colors and a matte finish: black, white, pink and green. Last week we see some comparison Vivo X200 Pro Mini and iPhone 16 Pro. The X200 Pro Mini is expected to line up with the Sony 50MP LYT818 as its primary camera. These 3 handsets will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. Vivo X200 Pro Mini features a mini 6.3-inch 120Hz OLED. The X200 and X200 Pro may hit the global market in the first quarter of 2025. There is no clarity about whether the X200 Pro Mini will be released globally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.